Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to make a new user for your Windows, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a new user account or user for your Windows PC or your Windows laptop. So to do that, just click on this start menu and tap on settings. Now from the setting page, just tap here accounts. Now in the left panel, you can see there is an option family and other users. Just click on this. So just click here other users. If you want to create a user account in locally without the email address or information, then click here I don't have the person's sign in information. Just click on this. Now just click on this. Now write the username here and write the password here and again write password to here. Now in case if you forget your password, then you can recover that. So for this you have to set up this prompt. Now after completing this form or giving this answer, click on next. Now you created a new user account for your Windows 11. So this is how you can easily create a new user account for your PC. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.